I am Namrata Bhattacharya. I am from Accenture. I've been working in the IT field for the last 25 years. Looking at various, looked at various industries, worked in various, engagements, which is more business transformation. So that's what I do. Have been interested in looking at what we can do from an industry perspective and how do I handle my personal finances, and that's something that has been on my mind for many years, and I've been trying to kind of now wanting to take full charge of it. So that's how I got to know about this program and wanted to be and make it more structured. So my intent was that, I do not go into it without much of knowledge. Because of my experience, I realized that it is better to have a full knowledge and you enter a field with, your wide open eyes. And that was why I'm here. So last 3 days have been very, very enriching, I would say. From the experience sharing, theoretical, yes, to some extent, but it is very much relatable. And when you have speakers like Jatin or Abhinav talking, you can see their vast experience coming in what they share. There is quite a bit of, in-depth their experience and their learnings if they have burned their fingers, and that is what is really relatable. The idea which I like most is that, everybody is telling it, do it yourself. So what we are learning here is actually practical, related, and you should be fully aware when you get into something like this as a full-time investor. Yes, very much. Till now, I was always in a delegation mode, trying to have my own thoughts and telling somebody in the family to take those actions. But now I am fully aware. And one thing is a big learning from me is consistency. At the same time, you have to take out time daily. And of course, I got to know where are, certain blogs or certain areas to look for, as well as do a technical analysis a little bit. But yes, it is food for thought, and I would like to spend more time and allocate a dedicated time daily. So that's my key takeaway. What I learned yesterday, and that kind of resonated with me because that's a thought that always relates to me as well. What are you doing? How are you passing your knowledge to the next? And when Durgesh talked about it, saying that this was an initiative to pass on knowledge, their experience and knowledge to others, and how do we do it to the next generation? And that's a thought that I really resonate with. Because of my 25 years, I also feel the same way, that it is very, very important to share the knowledge that you have learned, and that's how you grow as an economy, as a nation, as well as this is what you owe to your next generation. So I completely resonate with that idea, and I would like to enroll for other courses as well, and I'm very, very excited to see there are people who are there in this team who are already enrolled for the next session. So not this time, but probably sometime next year, I'll be here back again.